Hello, hello. Let's clear our energy today. Which item has our quotes today? Going at your own pace in a world that's always rushing is a superpower. You will never find peace in an environment that you aren't supposed to be in. Your heart knows the way. Run in that direction. Go and stay where your heart feels happy, not heavy. Embrace your uniqueness, for I adore you exactly as you are. And the last one today. Talking isn't the same as connecting. Connecting has energy and flow behind it. Rivers beneath the surface of what is heard. Victoria Erickson. All right, thanks for stopping by.